we shall study the effect of a strong magnet on water, which is placed in a cylindrical tube and is supported on styrofoam, which floats on water. So we use this magnet, neodymium magnet, and we'll try to watch the effect. It is supposed that the magnet will push the water towards the edge I think it is quite apparent. The repelling of the tube with water. I will go in the opposite direction. The distance between the magnet and the tube is about 1 centimeter. The force is feeble, but the tube rests on the styrofoam. This is actually the first time I tried this. Thank you for watching. See the references on the description of this demo. Thanks again.